So we're searching for the best ninja blenders. Alright. What I always do is search for the best blenders that have good qualities. Um, the best blender I always gave my friends or family or prescribe to anyone that needs it or my customer, I will prefer they use this one. Okay, so you see it's a Ninja blender. The price is here. It's good to make good smoothie, good to make a good drink, anything that you need to blend. This blender is so powerful, you can use it in any forms way, blend ice, any frozen things you want to make smoothie with. And I'm going to leave a link in the pinned in the description. If you guys want to purchase it, you just click on the link and you can purchase it. Once you click on the link, it will send you to Amazon and you just purchase it from there. Alright, so I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Ninja blender. Okay, alright, so we're going to go up and search for mini refrigerator. We're going to search for mini refrigerator. And the best mini fridge I always gave my customer to purchase is this mini fridge. They have it in stainless steel, they have it in black. As you see, it's a small fridge, 24.8 inches, and it could fit any possible way you think it can fit, as you see down there. And the cost of this, sorry about that, the cost of this fridge is right here, mini fridge. As you see, the cost is right here. Okay, see the price tag. Alright, this fridge, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. If you guys want to purchase the fridge, you just click on the link and it sends you right there. Well, it's a nice fridge, nice mini fridge. It can go anywhere in your kitchen, your room, inside your office, anywhere you preferred to put a mini fridge. As you can see, put it under your desk or so forth. If you need to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to purchase the mini fridge on Amazon. So we're going to go back here and we're going to search for the microwave. I would prefer you guys purchase this one, better quality, better rate. So I prefer you guys get this one, even though but this one is much better quality. As you see, it's much better. It can at least here fry your nuggets, your chicken fry, or your fries. As you see, it could also make you a comfortable steak. Also, as you see here, you can fix up your steak and just put it inside the microwave. It's a lot of heat. I always prescribe this one to my customers all the while. The price, you can see the price tag, so I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys, and the price tag is going to be there also too, so if you guys wish to purchase this microwave, you guys can just click the link below and you guys can get it. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you.